it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the UK. Thank you for joining me today for a very, very special day. Today is the launch of my Creativity in a Box season. Season probably isn't the right word, but I'm going to be providing creativity in a box so that wherever you are, you can make projects that I have put together for you. You get 3 options. You can either just buy the tutorial, so if you're based outside of the UK, you can buy just the tutorial. If you are in the UK, you get 2 more options, which is you get the tutorial and the kit to go, or you get the tutorial and the kit to go plus the bundle that I have based the projects around, so the stamp set and dies, or stamp set and punch, or stamp set, whichever. If you buy the bundle, then you don't pay for the tutorial. That comes as part of the deal, so it's free. So that's obviously the best deal. But today's launch project is slightly different. It's a project that I actually taught at a recent team retreat. We had 24 in the class, and they got to make either a pool party and crumb cake, sorry, a pool party and smoky slate, or a petal pink and crumb cake mini album. So I know the instructions work because 24 people all managed to make their mini albums. They only had 2 hours, so not everyone finished on the weekend, but they've mostly finished now, but they certainly managed to put the basic construction together, and it was just the decoration that they've got to finish. Now, I am doing a slightly different offering for you guys, because you will get more card. They got a very basic, you can only just get everything out of the kit. So, what am I offering? Well, let me show you the albums first. They are, I shouldn't say it, but they are really pretty. So let's start with the Petal Pink and Crumb Cake. I would add that although this is the ribbon that goes with the suite, I'm going to change the ribbon for you guys. The ribbon that we wanted, well, I wanted a ribbon that would do either of the albums, so I went for the very vanilla lace, but I'm doing a slightly different ribbon for you guys. So it's all based around the Bird Ballad suite. There are pockets, there are all the pages, there are 6 pages, and all of them have got these tags inside, so there's masses and masses of room. You can put 4x3 photos. You can just get 4x6. So if I measure here, this is 4 inches. So you can just get a 4x6 inch photograph on the page and have some room for journaling at the bottom. I mean, I haven't decorated it fully, so I haven't put photos in, but you get the idea. Now, I did use the well said and well written stamps and dies as well, but you wouldn't have to. But these are not stuck down, so you can actually tuck your photo in underneath. And then again, another pocket at the back. And all of these pockets as well with just tags. So that's the one that I made in pink and crumb cake. And then the blue and smoky slate, so the pool party and smoky slate. I've got all these little trinkets that just dangle. It's such a pretty suite. So more tags. I made another tag to go in there, just by piecing paper together to make another little pocket. This is for journaling, so this is actually stuck down. This is for journaling as well. Another photo, this is a tag. So you can see you can get masses and masses in here. Obviously you wouldn't want to put too much dimension on the tag bits, but you can put lots of dimension on the pages because there is a gap between the two. And again, more tags in the back. So those are the 2 albums that I have already made. Generally, the Creativity in a Box will be a slightly different format from the one I'm offering for this, but this is a very special launch pack. So what the options are for the launch pack are, you can buy just the tutorial, and it's written instructions with lots of photographs. For this, there will not be a video, but you've seen the inside of the album. You will actually get to, you've seen what the project is. Generally speaking, you won't get to see the project, but for this one, you've seen the project, and if you want just the tutorial, you can buy that wherever you are in the world. I would state here and now that the measurements are in metric, and they do use A4, international A4 card, but you could use 8.5 by 11 very successfully. It is the width that we're looking for, and the 8.5 by 11 is wider, so you'll have plenty of space to get all of the bits out that you would need. So you can buy just the tutorial, and that will cost you £10. That is a bargain. This is quite a complicated project, but £10, full written instructions, photographs. If you've got any queries, you can just email me and I can sort them out. So that's just the tutorial. If you're in the UK, you then get 2 additional options. You can get the tutorial and the product kit. And the product kit is an amazing amount of stuff. It's half a pack of the designer series paper, and that will be sent to you as 12 by 12. So you'll get one of each of the patterns of paper. That will be enough to make one album with a few bits left over. You will get 2 of each of the bird ballad trinkets. There are 4 separate designs. So you've got the leaf, the key, the flower, and the bow. So you'll get 2 of each of those. So 8 trinkets. You'll get 10 sheets each of Pool Party, Petal Pink, Crumb Cake, Smoky Slate. You will get, in addition to that, 8 sheets of Whisper White. You will get a yard of the organdy stripe ribbon, which I think is a better ribbon than the lace for this particular album. So you'll get 1 yard, and it is a yard because there's yards on the spools. So it's 10 yards or 9 metres. So a yard is more than enough for the ties and to leave you a little bit left over. And you'll also get 2 yards of white baker's twine. So just the standard white baker's twine, which is perfect for just adding the trinkets and extra little bits of adornment. Now, if you want everything, so for that, I should say, for the kit and the instructions, including postage and packing, would be £35, and that's sent second class Royal Mail, and it's a small parcel. So that would come to your door as a parcel, obviously in a 12 by 12 box, because the paper is 12 by 12. So that actually gives you basically the postage for free. So a really good deal. If you want all of that and the dies and the stamp set as a bundle, that will cost you £75, and it will be sent by signed second class postage. Now the instructions will all be emailed to you because they're in PDF form, so those will be sent out by email. They will be sent on the day that I place the order. So for dates, in order to get any of the product-based kits, you will need to order and pay by the 29th of July. Now, ordering is really simple if you want the tutorial and the kit, because you can pay with PayPal, and I've set up PayPal payment on the blog post that is linked to this video, and you'll find that below. So it's really easy. And obviously, if you want just the instructions, you can do that on the same page. If you want the bundle, then you will need to email me so that we can contact each other, so I can place the order for these separately, which is a requirement by Stamping Up. So I will need to have your name, address, and credit card details in order to do that, because those will be sent out under Stamping Up policy. So, order and pay by the 29th of July. Obviously, if you want the bundle, the sooner you do that, the better. I will then place the order for this first round of kits on the 30th of July and post them out, hopefully, the week commencing the 5th of August. That is subject to any delivery issues with Stamping Up or the courier company, but that is my hope. Now, they will come just as flat sheets of paper and card. There won't be any cutting. But going forward, Creativity in a Box, the kit will actually come pre-cut. But there's more information on that on my website. I'm going to link this video to my Creativity in a Box page, and you'll find this as the only, at the moment, link within that page. And if you click on that, it will take you to the page with the payment deals, payment options, and the information about what you get in the kit. So I hope that kind of makes sense. I hope you find that interesting. I'm really excited about doing Creativity in a Box. It will be, this, as I say, this one is slightly different, but it will be a way of you getting me at effectively a personal class. So for future Creativity in a Box projects, you'll get the instructions, you'll get a video on each of the projects that I include, plus the pre-cut, pre-die cut, pre-punched items that you need. You'll get the embellishments that you need, you'll get the ribbon that you need. I won't be able to, for future things, put any stamping any more than I can here. We're not allowed to send out stamped images, but I will give you options for other stamp sets where appropriate. But I'm really excited about this, so if you're as excited as me, why not go over to my website, have a look at all the information, and let me know what you think. Thank you very much indeed for watching. As I say, if you are not in the UK, you can still buy the tutorial, and you'll still be able to buy the tutorial from me for all of the future Creativity in a Box projects. So it's going to be amazing. I will do, for future projects, I will do the measurements in A4, both imperial and metric, for the actual cutting measurements, and also for North American letter sizing. So it's going to be truly international. So for this one, it's just A4 and just metric, but I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching. If you've got this far, well done. So thank you very much. The only other people that will have these instructions are the ladies that joined the class at the retreat and my team, because my team get all my tutorials for free as part of being in the team, and that's everything up to I can't remember if I said £15 or £20, it was one or the other. So all the tutorial bundles that are that sort of price, they get for free because they're part of my team, and it's one of the perks. So thank you very much indeed. If you've got any questions, please let me know. You can either leave a comment below, or you can send me an email, and my contact details are on my website and below. And I'm really looking forward to sending these kits out. I'm so excited. Thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.